Since they did mention bananas, we had some banana cake and banana pudding, and oh my goodness! Oh, Thomas. Why do I keep feeling like this is going to end in a horrible disaster? Oh. Oh no! It's him! Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, my word. There's one thing that has puzzled me. What's that, Luna? In Thomas and the Magic Railroad, he was taken away by a barge, wasn't he? Yeah? How did he get back? Maybe somebody found him out? I can understand that you're scared, Twilight. It's okay to admit when you're scared. Okay. Maybe this is kind of freaking me out. Don't worry, it's over now. Whew. Whew. Huh? Oh no. What? Oh no! Oh my.
What's happened to our sheds? Building the new ones was our important job, Weasel. But we were delayed, so we couldn't finish it. And bananas are no good for building sheds.
Quite right, Topham.
The steam engines were crossed with the diesel engines. The diesels had ruined their home.
As much as I hate saying this, but it was Thomas's fault. Alas, that's what happens when... I know. It just hurts me knowing that Thomas started it all. I know he didn't mean to, but... Well, you can't really blame him, Twilight. He didn't know what the Diesel's special job was going to be anyway. You're right, Cadence.
James had to stay in the dirty, dusty coaling plant.
Oh my.
I'll never stay shiny in here.
Oh. The vain one?
Edward had to stay in the quarry. Oh, look, a stinky steaming.
Oh dear. My oh my.
Percy and Henry had to stay in the smoking yard. I don't like it.
Oh.
Henry.
I sure do hope the same thing doesn't happen to them like what happened to Stephanie. And Stephanie gets lost.
And poor Gordon had to sleep under a tent.
Oh wow.
Only Toby was warm and snug in his cozy shed.
At Arlesdale End. I do believe that's the name of it.
But it was much.
Yes, it is.
Thomas felt bad. There were lots of jobs that hadn't been finished, and it was all his fault. Now he had to stay
Well,
at
at least I know he's sorry.
I only wanted to teach those diesels to behave, oh Thomas. Be quiet and go to sleep, Emily. Emily didn't like sharing her shed.
Oh, it appears as though she still hasn't learned the value
Don't worry.
of sharing, apparently.
We can fix everything. I'm sure I'll be back in Tidless sheds tomorrow. But that night,
Oh my.
a fierce storm swept through the island. It was the strongest wind the engines had ever known.
That's no storm. That's a hurricane.
Wind howled down the
Oh my gosh.
and tore down the trees.
Oh, the poor birds and squirrels.
It ripped off
Goodness me.
and black fences.
Well, remember, wind is stronger than we'll ever know.
Gordon's cat. Mother.
Oh my. I sure would hate to be stuck in that mess. Me too, Sterling.
I hope we're safe here. Percy shivered.
Oh my.
Waiting all night long. The Sodor suspension bridge twisted and shook in the strong wind.
Oh.
And
Whoa! Oh my gosh! The bridge!
the next morning, when Thomas bumped out
Thus
of the
making
shed,
it the first time this bridge collapsed.
lots of damage.
That's right, Miss
But my
Princess
goodness,
Goldlily.
look at what the wind has done.
A lot of damage, I see.
Thomas bumped across the ice. He could see the storm damage all around him.
Oh my gosh.
The airport moving site was a complete mess.
Oh.
But when Thomas saw that the Sodor suspension bridge had collapsed, he felt worse.
The second time the bridge collapsed was in, I think, Slow Steven. I think.
That morning, Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engine. He was very upset. The storm has done a great deal of damage, he said sadly. We must try to mend things, or we won't have any vacations. Yes, sir, thought the engines. Everyone will have to work extra hard, Sir Topham Hatt added. Otherwise, we won't be able to open the airport.
Oh.
We'll get a chance to fix too, Percy. Only after we have finished all the other jobs, Sir Topham Hatt said firmly.
Yes, Topham. Wait to tell them all.
There are lots of jobs to be done. Can you help
I believe
Sir
this one is
Topham Hatt
yours,
decide where
Celestia.
each engine should go?
Oh, I get the
Harvey has
point.
his crane on. Edward and Henry have freight cars full of bricks and timber.
That is right, they do.
And Thomas has his passenger coaches, Annie and Clarabelle.
As usual.
These tracks are blocked by fallen trees.
Mm.
Which engine do you think can help? Edward and Henry?
Absolutely
No.
not.
Freight cars full of bricks and timber won't move fallen trees. What about Thomas? No.
No.
Passenger coaches won't move fallen trees either.
Of course not.
What
Oh,
about Harvey?
of course. Harvey can use his crane arm to lift the trees off the
Harvey's
tracks.
crane arm will be perfect for moving fallen trees.
Exactly.
Thank you, Harvey.
Yes, thank you, Harvey.
But look at the airport terminal. These buildings will need to be repaired with bricks and timber.
Yes,
Which engine
indeed.
could help?
Hmm.
Thomas?
No.
There were no bricks and timber in Annie and Clarabelle.
Oh,
Do you think Edward and Henry can help?
of course. They have plenty of
Yes,
bricks and
that's
timber.
right. Edward and Henry have lots of bricks and timber.
And even though they're not part of the ski team anymore, it doesn't mean they're forgotten.
These workmen need to get to the Sodor suspension. Which engine do you think can help them?
I believe that's a simple one.
What about
Thomas and Annie and Clarabelle.
Yes. The workmen can climb aboard Annie and Clarabelle. And Thomas can take them to the suspension bridge.
Well done.
Thank you, Thomas. And thank you,
Way to go, Celestia. Thank you, Twilight.
Thomas arrived at the bridge with all the workmen, but Diesel was already there.
Oh dear.
I'm not talking to you, ordered Diesel. You played a trick on me. You gave me bananas. Well, I'm not talking to you either, Puff Thomas.
Oh dear.
Harvey cleared the tracks, but Harry and Bert didn't talk to him. Stinky Steamies made us late, Harry grumbled.
This proves that an act of cheekiness or more can cause some great disharmony among others.
And they didn't want
That's
to be
right.
so light. The Diesel's ruined our sheds, Edward pouted.
Well, I'm shocked that Edward, out of all the kind engines, he's the one to complain.
And the steam engines weren't talking to the diesels. They were all crooks.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Later, Thomas came across Diesel 10. Diesel 10 was helping to clear the blocked tracks. His giant claw lifted the heavy metal into freight cars.
Oh, he still scares me.
Thomas jumped nervously. Thomas puffed quickly away. He didn't want to be near Diesel 10.
Well, I can't really recall anyone who would want to be around him, no offense.
That night, at Nathan Sheds, Thomas started talking again. He told Emily all about Diesel 10 and all about his day's work. Be quiet and go to sleep.
Emily, I know you're not used to having... Oh my gosh!
Thomas fell asleep.
Oh, sleep whistling? That's something I've never heard Thomas do. Oh my gosh. That is rather unexpected of him. Yeah. Sorry about that, every pony. It's quite all right, Twilight.
Section for the suspension bridge has arrived, Sir Thomas had said. You must take it from random docks to the bridge. Yes, sir, Father Thomas. It is very heavy, and you might need some help, Sir Thomas had added. A diesel engine wouldn't need help.
Not true, Diesel.
Not like a steam engine. I'm a steam engine, and I can do it by myself, Thomas.
Oh dear. Why must these engines always try to prove they're the best without any help? It's not healthy. Oh yes. Second song? Uh-huh. Trying to do things better. Oh. Oh. Princess Twilight? Yes, Princess Sterling? Oh, please, do call me Sterling. I do understand that Mavis and Salty are friendly diesels, aren't they? So would the engines, with the Steamies, talk to them? Well, I hope so, because Salty and Mavis are friendlier than Diesel Area Bert or Diesel 10.
When Thomas arrived at the docks, he was worried. The bridge section was very long, and it was very, very heavy.
Oh dear.
Thomas pushed.
Maybe he does need help. Well, if I were there, I'd use my magic to increase his strength. Of course. Well, what can I say? I care about him very, very much.
Slowly up the line. His pistons pumped and his axles ached.
Oh! Not to fear, Twilight.
His load was very long and very heavy.
Oh! Another game! You can take this one, Cadence, if you want to. Sure.
There are 3 ways to get there. Thomas doesn't know which is the easiest way to go. Can you help him?
Sure.
This way looks quite short, but there is a steep hill in the middle. Do you think Thomas should go this way with his heavy load?
No. The piece of the bridge is much too heavy for that.
It's very difficult to push that heavy load up a steep hill.
Exactly. Oh dear.
Is there an easier way for Thomas to go?
Yeah.
This way is quite short too, but there is a very sharp bend in the track. Do you
Oh.
think Thomas should go this way with his
No, of course not. It's much too long.
Right. A great section is too long to go around that bend.
Exactly.
Is there an easier way for Thomas to go?
Oh yes, the right track.
The last way is longer than the other two, but there are no hills and no sharp bends.
That's right.
Do you think Thomas should go this way?
Of course.
That's right. This is the way that Thomas should go.
Oh, good,
Well done,
Thomas.
Thomas.
Time for our little beverage break.